Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back in November of 2023, I posted a video that Google had resumed planning to deprecate Manifest v2 extensions and would end support for these by mid-2024. Now that video will be in the end screen if you'd like some more info. But as you can see, we are already in May, the end of May, and starting quite soon, Google will start disabling Manifest v2 extensions in Chrome 127. So that will be starting with Canary, which is the latest preview version, which I currently have open. Then that will move into Dev, Beta, and then eventually when 127 makes it to stable, we should see Manifest v2 extensions disabled by default. Now there's been a lot of debate regarding this, but nonetheless, this means that the affected extensions will be disabled and you will no longer be able to install v2 extensions from the Chrome Web Store. So that's the long and the short of it, but go check that other video out if you'd like some more info. Now, if we head over to our extensions page in Google Chrome Canary, there's a couple of interesting things taking place, especially with uBlock Origin, which is a very popular, as they say, efficient ad blocker and so on. And I've seen in the comments that it's actually quite a popular choice when it comes to blocking ads in the different web browsers. Now, if we head over to one or two screenshots provided by the good folks over at Windows Report, because this change hasn't taken place yet in my region, but just to give us a good idea. Yeah, we can see that with the disabling of Manifest v2 extensions, already in Chrome Canary in certain regions, it says these extensions may soon no longer be supported. Remove or replace them with similar extensions from the Chrome Web Store. So here you can see to the right-hand side of the so-called v2 extensions, you can find an alternative. And here we can also see uBlock Origin is one of those. And if we head to the next screenshot provided by Windows Report, here we can see that selecting Keep for Now will remove the warning for the specific extension, but it may reappear in the future and then eventually lead to the extension being disabled entirely. So for now, you have a couple of choices. You can find an alternative, keep for now, or you can remove it from Chrome. So that's basically how Google is starting to work on this, phasing out and disabling v2 extensions to be replaced with v3 extensions, as you may well know. Now, when it comes to a uBlock Origin, as we can see in this screenshot provided, uBlock Origin, as you may well know, needs Manifest v2 to work and is included in the list of affected extensions. So obviously this has caused quite a bit of debate in certain circles and concern among users and developers equally. And while Google seems to be favoring v3 extensions, you might still be able to use uBlock Origin for a short period. But obviously, in due course, this is going to be phased out. Now, apparently, I do hear they are working on a Manifest v3 version of uBlock Origin called uBlock Origin Lite. But obviously, when it comes to a light version of the actual extension, it may not offer the same functionality as the so-called full house or the full version as we get it today. So that's a bit of a update regarding this, because I have seen a couple of comments in the channel regarding, the phase out and disabling of Manifest v2. And obviously June is next month, and then moving into the rest of this year, we could start seeing that, and will eventually start seeing that take place. And as far as I can recall, Google said by the end of 2024, v2 would have been replaced with v3, and I'm sure, obviously, like all big changes regarding this is going to still continue to cause debate, but I'm keeping my eye on this one. And obviously, as the info comes in and I get wind of info, I'll keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.